Hello friends, welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is Rahul Chaudhary, and today we are going to see how to use the Helical Sweep command in Creo Parametric. So let's get started. Those who have Creo Parametric software, please open your software and we see how to create this thread on the screw, okay, by using that command. So first of all, after opening your Creo Parametric, click on the file, take the new file and part as a type and solid as a subtype. You can give any file name over here. Untick this mark, click on OK. Those who are new on this channel, kindly subscribe the channel, and those who don't have the Creo Parametric software, so how to install in free way, the videos are available on my YouTube channel. You can see over there. Next, click on the millimeter part solid, because we are going to make the part and in the millimeter. Click on OK. Now system is generating the interface for me. Here you can see. So first of all, we'll create that screw and next we'll perform that operation. Click on the front plane, click on the sketch, click on the sketch view. Now take the center line. This is the first point, this is the second point of center line, and then take this line command and draw the half section view of the screw. This is the first point, second point. This is I am going to draw the head of the screw first of all. Okay. I will take long length of the screw because it will be very helpful for understanding the thread pitch for performing different operation. Okay, click this point and close the drawing. Okay, move away and click middle button of mouse. This half section of the screw is generated. Now click on OK. Okay, this sketch is already selected. You can see in this is the green color. It's indicating the sketch is selected, and then next click on the Revolve. Here you can see the screw is generated for the practice purpose. Now what we will do is that just click on the tick mark. Okay, go to this determine display filters, make sure all the points are tick marked. Okay, all the points are tick marked for showing the different planes of this screw. Okay, on this plane. Now select this plane. Okay, here you can see which plane I have selected. This plane I have selected. Okay, next click on the sketch, click on the sketch view. Yeah, now click on the reference line, references, select this line and this line, click on close. Now take this line command, draw from this is the first point, this is the last point. Now for closing line command, move away and press middle mouse button. This line is created over here. Okay, now click on OK, then click on the sweep helical sweep command, click on the references, select helical sweep profile, select sketch, click collector to activate, and then add or delete reference. Click on this, then select this line. Here arrow is generated, you can see. sketch 2 is selected. Then helix axis, click on the helix axis. For this we have to select the center line. After clicking on that, you will here you can see the pitch is already come by the system. This is the 35.41. we can change from here. Now here create edit sweep section, click on this. Okay, now after clicking on that, you can observe these two lines are created. This is horizontal, this is vertical by this color. Okay, violet color, and the intersection of both the line is here. Okay, here you can see this is the both line, horizontal and vertical. Just zoom here, and now take the line command and take this first point and draw the triangle for threading. Okay, now go away and click middle mouse button. Command is closed. Now click on OK. Here you can see sweep of this triangular shape is generated around this screw. Okay, here you can see. Okay, this is in solid state. Here is the option. If you select this sweep as surface, now this is as a surface. Okay, and you just click to solid. If you wanted to make the changes in triangular sketch what you have drawn, just again click to this and click on this sketch view. Here you can make the changes in this drawing, like you can change the dimensions accurately from here. Then again click on OK. System is updated the triangular shape of the thread to this screw. Okay, now next, here is the by left hand rule, by right hand rule. Let's click on this by left hand. After clicking here, you can see the implications. Click on this left hand, right hand is for the screw type. Left hand and right hand, here is the option. Okay, now next what I will do, now we have seen this. Just click on references and then next click on the pitch. Okay, now here we have given the pitch of 35.41. I will make to 40 and enter. Here you can see the implication on the pitch. The pitch distance is increased. You can add the second pitch variable for the variable pitches. Click on add. Now 40 pitch is at the start point, and for end point I will put 20 and enter. Okay, here you can see at the end pitch is less and at the starting pitch is high. Okay, now next again if you click on this add pitch. Okay, so this pitch will be implicated in this middle portion. This is the start, this is the end point, this is the middle. Okay, so I will put here 60 mm and enter. Here you can see at middle portion of the screw the 60 mm of the pitch is created. Okay, like this. So in this way how you can perform the operations on the screw by using helical sweep. You can create the threads on the screw in this way. Just click on this green tick mark. Okay, here you can see the screw is created with the threads. Okay, so this is all about this how to use helical sweep command. If you like this video, hit the bell icon and subscribe the channel.